In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TikTok ads to drive traffic. Advertising on TikTok has become a key strategy for businesses looking to tap into the platform's vast and highly engaged user base. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up an ad campaign on TikTok that's designed to drive traffic to your website or product page. First things first, let's talk about getting started on the platform. You'll need to navigate to the TikTok ads homepage. It's pretty straightforward. Just open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the TikTok ads website, or simply search for TikTok ads on your favorite search engine. Once you're on the site, you'll see a landing page that's your gateway into the world of TikTok advertising. Upon arriving at the homepage, your next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. You'll need it to proceed with your ad campaign. After clicking login, you'll be asked to input your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. Make sure you enter these details accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your credentials, proceed by clicking the login button again to access your dashboard. Security is a top priority, so don't be surprised when prompted with a CAPTCHA verification. This step is crucial for confirming that you're not a robot and ensures the security of your account. Complete the CAPTCHA as instructed, then click on the confirm button to continue. Next, you might be required to go through an additional layer of security, especially if you're logging in from a new device or location. TikTok will send a verification code to your email. Retrieve this code from your email inbox. You might need to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it immediately. Enter this code on the verification page to authenticate your access. With security out of the way, it's time to get down to business. Navigate to the campaign section of your TikTok ads account. You can find this either on the dashboard or through the site's menu, depending on the user interface's current setup. The campaign section is where all the magic happens. It's your control room for ad campaigns. Once you're in the campaign section, you may see that there's a draft or a new campaign waiting for you to edit. Click on the edit draft button to begin customizing your campaign settings. This is where you start tailoring your campaign to your specific needs, targeting options, and budget. For the purpose of driving traffic, you'll want to focus on setting an objective for your campaign. Look for the option labeled traffic. This objective is designed to send TikTok users to your desired destination, be it a web page, an online store, or a landing page. Selecting traffic as your campaign objective tells TikTok's ad system to optimize your ads for clicks and visits rather than impressions or engagement. After selecting your campaign objective, a confirmation dialog might appear. Click OK to confirm your choice and proceed with setting up your campaign details. At this stage, you're crafting the blueprint of your ad campaign, defining who sees your ads, how your ads are delivered, and where you want to drive your traffic. So, what's next after confirming your campaign objective? It's all about fine-tuning your campaign settings and getting your ads ready for the TikTok universe. You'll delve into targeting options, budget settings, ad creatives, and more. But the steps we've covered today lay the foundational knowledge you need to start using TikTok ads to drive traffic efficiently. Creating a successful TikTok ad campaign requires understanding the platform's unique environment and its user base. Tailor your ad creatives to match the vibrant and dynamic nature of TikTok. Keep an eye on your campaign's performance, and don't hesitate to tweak your settings for better results. And that's a wrap on using TikTok ads to drive traffic. Remember to experiment, learn from the data, and continuously optimize your campaigns for the best results. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you leverage TikTok ads to grow your business.